Hello there! We're giving you a private tour of the magnificent MSC Seascape Cruise Ship today. Prepare to tour this opulent floating paradise and enjoy all the amazing features it has to offer. The MSC Seascape can carry a maximum of 6,334 passengers and a crew of 1,700 people. As one of the biggest cruise ships in the world, it offers a variety of amenities and activities for guests to enjoy while on board. The cruise ship has a 2-deck Cabaret Rouge, 19 decks, 12 of which are accessible to passengers and 11 of which have cabins, 11 dining establishments, 6 swimming pools, 19 bars and lounges. As we approach the MSC Seascape, we are amazed by its generous size and clean appearance. This innovative cruise ship is part of MSC Cruises' Seaside EVO class, which provides an upgraded guest experience with greater room, amenities, and environmentally responsible technologies. Let us board and see what's in store for us. Staterooms and suites. The MSC Seascape has a wide range of cabins and suites to suit every taste and budget, from small inside cabins to luxury suites with individual balconies. There is something for everyone. In this section, we'll take a deeper look at the various lodging options and their distinguishing characteristics. Interior staterooms. These rooms are ideal for travelers looking for a low-cost accommodation choice. Ocean view staterooms. These rooms feature large windows that let in plenty of natural light and offer stunning views of the sea. Balcony staterooms. These accommodations resemble ocean view cabins but include a private balcony. For those who wish to breathe in the clean sea air and have a quiet place to unwind, this is a fantastic choice. Suite staterooms. These are the ship's most luxurious accommodations. They have a separate living room, a private terrace, and a spacious bathroom with a bathtub. They are ideal for vacationers who want to enjoy a little luxury on their voyage. Whatever stateroom you pick, you'll have all the facilities and comforts of home, including soft bedding, a flat-screen TV, and 24-hour room service. Dining and culinary experiences. The dining experience is one of the pleasures of any voyage, and the MSC Seascape is no exception. Visitors can take a culinary tour of the world at one of the many restaurants, bars, or lounges. We will give you a taste of what to expect by sampling some of the mouth-watering dishes and beverages available. Main dining room. The main dining room provides a more formal dining experience with a fixed menu and table service. The menu is updated daily and includes a wide range of international dishes. Buffet restaurant. The buffet restaurant provides a more relaxed eating experience with a vast variety of dishes from across the world. It is ideal for travelers who wish to taste a variety of cuisines. Specialty restaurants. MSC Seascape provides numerous specialized restaurants that provide a one-of-a-kind eating experience. These eateries include a steakhouse, a sushi bar, and a seafood restaurant. Room service. Room service is offered 24 hours a day and serves snacks, sandwiches, and other light meals. Bars and lounges. MSC Seascape features many bars and lounges where travelers can enjoy a drink and socialize with other passengers. MSC Seascape provides a good assortment of non-alcoholic beverages to passengers. Whether you want a refreshing soft drink or juice, mocktails, coffee, or a hot cup of tea, you will find something to your liking on the ship. MSC Seascape provides a wide variety of dining options to accommodate every taste and desire. Whether you choose an elegant dining experience or a casual meal, you will find it on the ship. Entertainment and activities. There are numerous entertainment options and recreational pursuits available on the MSC Seascape for all ages. There is never a dull moment on board, with exhilarating water slides, pools, an innovative theatre, and a sumptuous spa. Shows and performances. MSC Seascape's theatre features a range of concerts and performances, including Broadway-style plays, live music, and comedy acts. Pools and water park. There are many pools on the ship, including an infinity pool and a covered pool, as well as a water park with slides and other water activities. The first robotic coaster at sea. A cutting-edge robotic arm called Robotron offers a unique thrill ride almost 175 feet above the ocean. Enjoy a full 360-degree view as you soar over the deck, turn around, and glide in all directions. Casino. Players can try their luck at several games on the ship's casino, including slot machines, blackjack, and roulette. Live music. Live music is played in several locations on the ship, including the theatre, bars, and lounges. Dance parties. The ship hosts several dance parties throughout the cruise, including themed parties and parties with live DJs. Sports and fitness. The ship offers a sports court, a gym, and a running track for passengers who want to be active while on their vacation. Kids and Teens Club. Kids and teenagers can join in age-appropriate activities and make new friends at MSC Seascape's dedicated groups. Arts and crafts, games, parties, sports, and celebrations are all available in the clubs. Shore excursions. Many shore excursions are planned with families in mind, including activities like snorkeling, beach outings, and cultural experiences that kids and teens enjoy. Shopping. On board the MSC Seascape, there are various stores where guests can buy gifts, outfits, and other goods. Art and culture. Passengers can learn about art and culture by visiting the ship's art gallery and library. Culinary experiences. MSC Seascape provides a variety of culinary experiences, such as cooking courses, wine tastings, and specialist dining. MSC Seascape offers a wide range of entertainment options and activities to suit every taste and preference. Whether you're looking for a relaxing day by the pool or an exciting night at the theatre, you are sure to find something that suits your interests on the ship. The elegant Spa and Wellness Centre of MSC Seascape allows guests to unwind and revitalise while on their voyage. Treatments. Numerous services such as massages, facials, body wraps, and acupuncture are provided at the spa. A range of services available to passengers, all of which are intended to relieve tension, encourage relaxation, and enhance general well-being. Thermal area. The thermal area is a soothing environment where passengers can enjoy a range of heat experiences such as saunas, steam rooms, and hot tubs. There are also heated lounges and a restroom in the thermal area. Beauty salon. The beauty parlor provides a variety of services, such as manicures and pedicures, in addition to haircuts, styling, and coloring. Fitness center. Modern fitness equipment, such as weightlifting machines, aerobic equipment, and free weights, are available at the gym. Additionally, passengers have access to fitness classes including spinning, Pilates, and yoga. Wellness experiences. MSC Seascape provides a variety of health opportunities, such as meditation courses, dietary consults, and personal training sessions. The Spa and Wellness facility on MSC Seascape provides a wonderful and peaceful experience for travelers who wish to unwind and take care of their well-being while on board. Ports of call and excursions. The MSC Seascape sails to some of the world's most beautiful destinations, offers a wide range of shore excursions at each port of call, catering to different interests and activity levels. City tours. Explore the local culture and history of each port of call with a guided city tour. These tours typically include visits to famous landmarks, museums, and other cultural attractions. Beach excursions. Relax on some of the world's most gorgeous beaches on a beach excursion. These excursions usually include transportation to and from the beach, as well as beach chairs, umbrellas, and other amenities. Adventure tours. MSC Seascape provides a variety of adventure tours, including ziplining and kayaking for the more daring travelers. Food and wine tours. Sample the local cuisine and wine with a food and wine tour. These tours typically include visits to local markets, wineries, and restaurants. Cultural tours. Learn about the local culture and traditions with a cultural tour. These tours typically include visits to local villages, temples, and other cultural sites. Nature tours. Explore the natural beauty of each port of call with a nature tour. These tours typically include visits to national parks, wildlife reserves, and other natural attractions. Shopping tours. Take a shopping tour to buy souvenirs and regional goods. Visits to regional markets, stores, and boutiques are frequently included on these tours. MSC Seascape offers a wide range of shore excursions to suit all interests and activity levels, ensuring that passengers have a memorable and enjoyable experience. We hope you enjoyed this exclusive tour of the MSC Seascape Cruise Ship. If you're planning your next vacation, be sure to consider this incredible floating paradise for an unforgettable experience. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing travel content. Until next time, happy cruising!